Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about Bruno v3 updates. The new feature that got introduced in Bruno version 3 is Inbuilt Terminal. So Bruno now ships with a native in-app terminal, giving you quick access to your workflow without leaving the app. So in version 3 Bruno, there is no need to leave the Bruno app. You can run the workflow or the collection inside the app using the inbuilt terminal. There is one more important change that is made in Bruno CLI version 3. So the default runtime mode has changed from developer mode to safe mode for improved security. So if you have collection with external npm packages and file system access, you should be using the developer mode explicitly. To do that, you can pass the -- sandbox equal to developer flag when running the collection. So I am moving directly to the Bruno app. So I will be using the collection request. This collection is inside a folder called folder 1. So all the requests are added under the folder 1 inside the collection request. Now I will be showing the inbuilt terminal that is got added in Bruno version 3 onwards. To see the inbuilt terminal, you can click on the DevTools option. You can see a terminal tab on clicking the DevTools option. So you can navigate to the collection and you can use the brew command in order to run the collection. I am starting a session in the terminal. You can see it has opened in the default location. If you want to run the collection, you have to navigate to the corresponding collection location. To make that easy, there is an option to open the collection from the terminal without switching out of the app. To do that, just click on 3 dots. You can see there is a open in terminal option. Click on that. Now the Bruno will be opening the terminal at the collection root location. So you can see the location has been changed. Now if you want to run the collection, you can use this particular command. If the collection is not inside a folder, means you can skip this folder 1. You can directly use brew run and you can pass the flag -- sandbox is equal to developer. This flag is used when your collection is having some npm packages, some external npm packages and some file system access. If the collection is having those type of details, then you have to pass this flag. Now I am going to run this command. Now you can see the execution in the terminal. The execution has started. You can see the assertion details coming in the terminal. You can see the execution summary in the inbuilt terminal itself. Now there is no need to switch out of the Bruno app to execute the workflow. There is an inbuilt feature in Bruno version 3. So I hope this particular session was very useful for everyone. If you find this particular video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.